What if I told you that you could start a legitimate business tomorrow with absolutely $0 in your pocket? I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme or empty promises. I'm talking about real, sustainable business ideas that you can launch right now, today, using only the skills and resources you already have. And here's the best part. These aren't just theoretical ideas. Thousands of people are building real income streams with these exact methods. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because we break down practical business strategies every single week. Now let's dive into 8 business ideas that require literally no startup capital. The first idea is freelance writing. If you can put together coherent sentences and you have internet access, you can start earning money immediately. There are platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Contently, where clients are actively looking for writers right now. You could write blog posts for small business owners, create content for websites, write product descriptions, or even compose social media captions. The beautiful thing about freelance writing is that you don't need a fancy portfolio to start. You can begin with lower rates to build your client base and social proof, and then gradually increase your prices as you gain experience and testimonials. Within your first week, you could have your first client and your first paycheck. The second idea is social media management. Small business owners are drowning in the noise of social media platforms, and they desperately need help. They need someone to create posts, schedule content, engage with followers, and build their online presence. You probably already spend time on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn anyway, so why not get paid for it? You can manage social accounts for local businesses like gyms, restaurants, salons, or boutique shops. Start by reaching out to 5 local businesses this week and offer to manage their social media for a monthly fee. You'll use their brand voice, their existing platforms, and your creativity to grow their audience. Many small business owners have never even posted consistently before, so your help will be immediately valuable to them. The third idea is virtual assistants. Entrepreneurs and small business owners constantly need extra hands to handle administrative tasks. You could do email management, schedule appointments, manage calendars, handle customer service inquiries, or organize files and databases. This is perfect because you can work from anywhere with a laptop and internet connection. The key is to reach out directly to entrepreneurs and explain how you can save them time and money. Even a few hours per week of virtual assistance for multiple clients can add up to a substantial income. You're essentially selling your time and organizational skills, and that's incredibly valuable in today's fast-paced business world. The fourth idea is tutoring or online teaching. Whether you're fluent in another language, skilled in mathematics, experienced in music, or knowledgeable about any academic subject, there are students and parents looking for tutors right now. Platforms like Wisent, Chegg, and VIP Kid connect tutors with students. You can also offer your services on Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, or even advertise locally for in-person or online tutoring sessions. If you speak English as a second language and want to teach English to international students, that's actually one of the most in-demand tutoring services out there. You don't need teaching credentials for most of these platforms. Many successful tutors have built 6-figure incomes just by working with a handful of dedicated students consistently. The fifth idea is dropshipping or print-on-demand products. Now, before you roll your eyes, hear me out. With print-on-demand services like Printful, Merch by Amazon, or Teespring, you can design t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and dozens of other products without holding any inventory yourself. You create the design, set your markup, and the company handles production and shipping. It's completely free to start. You could spend an afternoon creating designs and uploading them to multiple platforms. You've probably seen those niche t-shirts with funny quotes or specific hobbies targeted to particular audiences. You can do that too. The income might be slow at first, but as you learn what sells and optimize your designs and marketing, this becomes a passive income stream. And honestly, this is one where you could have your first sale within weeks. The sixth idea is affiliate marketing. This is when you promote other companies' products and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique link. You could start a blog, a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, or an email newsletter where you recommend products you genuinely believe in. Amazon Associates, for example, lets you earn commissions by recommending products. You could create content around product reviews, comparisons, or recommendations in your niche. Let me be clear though, you need to provide real value and only recommend products you actually believe in. The people who succeed at affiliate marketing are the ones who build trust first and monetize second. You could start a blog today and begin writing reviews of products in your area of expertise. This is incredibly valuable business advice, by the way. So if you're finding this helpful, please like this video because it helps us reach more entrepreneurs like you. The seventh idea is consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in any area, people will pay you for it. Maybe you're skilled at fitness, nutrition, personal finance, job searching, public speaking, productivity, or running a specific type of business. You could offer one-on-one consulting calls through platforms like Calendly, where you set your own rates. You could create group coaching programs. You could even offer services through Clarity or Coach to thousands of people seeking your expertise. The barrier to entry is purely psychological. You might think you're not an expert, but someone out there would pay good money to know what you know. Start by offering a free consultation or two to build social proof and testimonials. Then transition to paid offerings. You could literally start booking calls tomorrow. The eighth idea is content creation and monetization. This could be YouTube, podcasting, blogging, or TikTok videos. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok will actually pay you directly for views and engagement once you hit certain thresholds. Even before that, you're building an audience that you can monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products, or online courses. The best part is that the barrier to entry is basically zero. You need a smartphone to record videos. You need a voice and maybe a microphone to podcast. You need a computer to write blog posts. That's it. Many successful creators started with smartphones and terrible lighting. They focused on consistency and value instead of production quality. Within 6 months to a year of consistent posting, you could have a monetized channel bringing in real income. Now here's what separates people who actually succeed from those who just consume this content and never take action. Success requires 3 things. First, you must choose one idea and commit to it for at least 30 days. Don't jump between different ideas every few days. Give yourself time to learn, make mistakes, and improve. Second, you need to actually start today or tomorrow. Not next month, not when everything is perfect. Now. The people making money right now with these ideas started when they were scared and uncertain too. Third, you need to provide genuine value. Don't try to shortcut this. If you're doing freelance writing, write great content. If you're managing social media, create engaging posts. If you're tutoring, help your students actually learn. The money follows the value. Most people fail because they either never start or they quit too early. They expect instant results or they get discouraged when their first week doesn't generate $5,000. Building a business takes time. But the beauty of these 8 ideas is that you can start seeing results in days or weeks, not months or years. You'll learn what works, what doesn't, and you'll build momentum. Some of these ideas might not work for your specific situation, and that's okay. Pick the one that excites you most and aligns with your current skills. You can always pivot or try another idea later. But right now, pick one, commit to it, take action today. The best time to start a business was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If you found value in these business ideas and you're ready to take action on your entrepreneurial journey, please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on practical business guidance and money-making strategies.